Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a sticker effect on Adobe Illustrator. I'm just going to type in the word sticker. And I'm going to change the font as well. And I'm just going to change the size of the font as well. I'm just going to right click and select create outlines. And you can change the color of your sticker. Go to object, path. Wait, where is it? Path, sorry, and then select offset path. And just adjust it here, like how big you want the outline to be. Alright, press OK. And just color it white. Right click, and then arrange, send to back. You can't see it, but it's like a sticker, so you'll need like a background here. And that is pretty much it, really. It's super simple to do. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. There's gaps here, so let me just add this real quick. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.